Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, July 15, 2016. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, taking a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures this morning. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher by 3.25 points. They've actually been up even a little bit more, but now they started to come in just a touch. But nonetheless, futures continue to ramp higher no matter what. It's a pretty amazing move when you think about it. We dealt with Brexit 12 days ago, and here the markets are making new all-time highs each and every day. So again, we're going to watch this pretty closely, and we'll see what this market gives us today. They are overbought, these markets, but somehow, some way, the magic wand keeps these markets levitating higher. So we're going to keep them on watch, and we'll see how it plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. We're going to start off with the bank stocks today. Wells Fargo is first. WFC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $48.49. It closed at $48.94. So you got a 50-cent downtick there in Wells Fargo. You could check out the news for yourself. They did report earnings. You could read all about it. We could care less about the earnings. We only care about the price action on the charts. So Wells is trading down. Citigroup, another name that reported earnings, stock is trading at $45.04 right now. What you'll notice is that it closed at $44.45, so that's trading up about 50 cents. So again, Wells Fargo down 50 cents, Citigroup is up 50 cents. What do we make out of it? Not much right now, but there's a ton of resistance for Citigroup at around $45.25. So I don't expect a whole lot of upside from here. Let's stick with the bank theme. PNC Financial is next. That stock is trading at 83.70, but there's no volume behind it, so we'll have to wait for the opening bell, see where it plays out. If the stock does rally up, pretty good resistance around the $85 level, more around 87.71. 87.71 would be best bet for a potential pullback or short trade intraday. All right, let's take a look here at USB, US Bancorp. Right now, this stock is trading at $41.75, closed at $41.25, so it's up about 50 cents. We see these 50-cent moves in the bank stocks either up or down. Again, I'm seeing big resistance on USB around $42.18 if it gets up there. So keep that on watch. And again, you could trade this and everything else alongside of us. If you take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat room, get to see our desktops, our charts live. And again, you can see everything that we're doing. We're having a sensational 2016. Next up, we want to talk about Herbalife. Looks like they settled with the FTC. Stock is trading at $65.73. I don't think Bill Ackman's going to be happy about this. There is a ton of resistance around $69.50. So if it does get up there, there's a ton of resistance there at that level. Just yesterday, Bill Ackman said he would stay with that short trade no matter what, and it has been one of his worst positions. All right, looking over at a few other names here. INFY, Infosys, is trading down a bit. This stock got hammered this morning. Closed at $18.44, trading at $16.82. There is going to be some support here around this level, but if this breaks, this thing can go all the way down to around $13.70, $13.60. So be careful with Infi. Next up, we're going to take a look at CTSH. This is also trading lower. Right now, this is trading at $57.20, closed at $58.94. So again, there is going to be some support around the $55.50 level if it does trade lower. Keep that on the radar. Now, as you all know, last night there was a terrorist attack in France, and again, our prayers and our hopes go out to all of these people that are there. This was just a horrific attack, especially with people that are on vacation, innocent people that have nothing to do with this. But either way, you all could see that on the news. So there are a lot of travel stocks and a lot of transportation stocks that are getting hit today. We're going to start off with Priceline. PCLN is the first one. Stock right now is trading at $13.26, closed at $13.46. So this is a pretty good haircut for Priceline. If this stock does close below 1300, it probably has a lot more downside in the cards. On an intraday basis, 1300 will be some short-term support. Looking at Expedia, EXPE, right in the same theme there. Stock right now is trading at $112.50, closed at $115.13 rather. When you see this name, this is getting hit today. Again, there's a lot of support at 107. If it closes below that on a daily chart, watch out below. Looking at the airlines, Delta Airlines, they have a pretty good European presence. That stock's getting hit a little bit, closed at $40.98, now trading at $40.15. American Airlines, this is trading at $35.25, closed at $35.88. Ryanair, this is a European discount carrier. Right now I'm showing it trading at 71.18, but there's no volume there, so keep this one on the radar, but we may look to play this at some point during the course of the day. Cruise lines also getting hit. Carnival Cruise Line, CCL, this is trading down around 45.55, closed at 46.32. Then you have RCL, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. That is trading at 70.06, closed at 71.88. So again, we have a lot of these names that are all going to be in play today. They will be on our radar. And once again, if you want to trade them alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. Trade right alongside of us, see our desktop. All right, let's turn over to the gold market. Gold futures right now are trading down about 1.5 to $1,330 an ounce. The GLD this morning is trading at around 127. Gold's been all over the map, but it continues to really just pull back in a mild way, which ultimately could turn out to be bullish. But right now, still probably needs a little bit more of a pullback. Looking at crude oil is up 43 cents, so that's getting a pop back around $46.11 a barrel. The USO should be trading up as well, and sure enough, that is trading up at 11.03. So that's reflecting the pop in crude. Either way, we'll let this market play itself out a little bit. We'll see how it shakes out here. But all of this and more will be in play today. So it should be a pretty busy Friday morning. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a sensational 2016 and we're going to keep that going. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.